Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024, 2024 Volkswagen GTI. Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024, the 2024 Volkswagen GTI steals the show. As we race into 2024, the sport compact car market is revving up with new models that blend performance, agility, and everyday usability. Leading the charge is the 2024 Volkswagen GTI, a beloved icon in the hot hatch segment, known for its dynamic performance and refined driving experience. 2024 Volkswagen GTI, a modern classic. The 2024 Volkswagen GTI continues to uphold its reputation as a benchmark in the sport compact car category. This latest iteration is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers a robust 241 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. This power is channeled through either a 6-speed manual transmission for driving purists or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic for those seeking seamless shifts and convenience. The GTI's handling prowess is enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension setup. The inclusion of Volkswagen's VAQ limited slip differential ensures optimal traction and stability during spirited driving, while the adaptive dampers offer a comfortable ride in daily commutes and a firm, responsive feel during high-performance driving. This combination of power and precision makes the GTI not only fun to drive but also practical for everyday use. The exterior of the 2024 GTI retains the classic hot hatch look with modern touches. Its aggressive front fascia, signature red accents, and distinctive alloy wheels give it a sporty yet sophisticated appearance. Inside, the GTI offers a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The digital cockpit display and a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration keep drivers connected and informed. The supportive sports seats and customizable ambient lighting enhance the overall driving experience. Other notable sport compact cars for 2024. While the Volkswagen GTI stands out, it is part of a competitive field of sport compact cars for 2024. 2023 Honda Civic Type R, with its 315 horsepower turbocharged engine and razor-sharp handling, the Civic Type R remains a favorite among enthusiasts. Hyundai Elantra N, known for its 276 horsepower engine and adaptive suspension, the Elantra N offers a compelling mix of performance and value. Toyota GR Corolla, featuring a 300 horsepower turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive, the GR Corolla promises a thrilling driving experience. Subaru WRX, combining rally-inspired performance with a 271 horsepower turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive, the WRX offers versatility and excitement. Conclusion. As we look ahead to 2024, the sport compact car market is set to deliver an exhilarating array of models that cater to performance enthusiasts and practical drivers alike. The 2024 Volkswagen GTI shines as a modern classic, offering a blend of power, agility, and everyday practicality that is hard to beat. Whether you are drawn to the GTI's heritage and refinement or the unique attributes of its rivals, the best sport compact cars of 2024 promise to deliver an engaging and enjoyable driving experience.